Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I was at the dollar store and saw these deli baskets and decided that would be really cool to pour through, kind of similar to a colander or strainer pour. And they came in a pack of 4 for $1, so really good deal. And I am going to do cool colors on this. I have an 11 by 14 canvas underneath here, just FYI. So I'm using a variety of colors mixed with floetrol and water. And I will put the materials in the description, but all the paints that I'm using are either Artist Loft or Arteza today. And I'm going to use blues, purples, and greens. This is the Arteza iridescent paint. Really, really pretty. I'm going to use this color also, which is kind of a pinky purple. Not a lot though. All right, and this is Artist Loft Phthalo Green. I might throw a little bit of a yellow in here, but we'll see. I also have some, this is a yellow green Arteza color. Really pretty. Okay, and I don't want this to be too dark. I'm not putting any black in this, but I will use some of the Arteza Fancy Black, which is like a dark bronze. And I think that'll just give us some good contrast. All right, I'm gonna go a little faster with my layering, I think, so we're not here all day. Turquoise. And get in here with more white. I feel like this should be pretty good. Let's fill this up to the top. All right, good. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to actually do this upside down because this does have a little hole here, and so the paint will kind of just sit in the middle. So I'm going to do this upside down, and I'm going to just pour around the sides as best as I can. And the basket will kind of hold the paint in there until I move it. This is a really easy and fun technique that produces some pretty awesome results. So let me know down in the comments where you're watching from. I love to hear where people are watching from all over the world. I'm in Los Angeles for those who don't know. Okay. So as you can see, the basket is totally holding the paint in, except for right here where I spilled some on the side. I assume though, if you had a bigger canvas and you filled it even more, eventually it would start coming back out the sides. So for now, I'm going to move this, and then I'm going to carefully lift up. Woo. So you can see some pretty cool patterns in there. And then now I'm going to go ahead and tilt. So what I like about trying all these different things is that you kind of never know what you're going to get. They're all going to produce a bit of a different result, a different pattern. And you can get some really cool things from unexpected dollar store items. All right, I'm going to bring it back this way a little bit. So also with acrylic pouring, you never have to just tilt until the canvas is covered. If you want, you can keep tilting it to kind of get a more specific pattern if you have something in mind. Or if you don't like a section, you can kind of tilt it off. So there we have it. That's definitely a unique pattern. So I'm going to go ahead and let this sit here for a little bit, and then we will do our close-up. Okay, we're back. Not too much shifting around. Let's go ahead and do the close-up. All right, so lower right-hand corner. I feel like I maybe put a little too much of that fancy black in there. I don't know. But you can see the really cool pattern that's just created throughout this. Some really cool lacing spots. And basically just using that, the basket with all the little holes creates a really, really unique pattern. Alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed this. Let me know down in the comments if you plan on trying this specific one. It is a lot of fun. I'll be doing this again coming up soon with warm colors instead of the cool colors. And I will see you all next time.